Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Shopify contact page. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I don't have a contact page right here. Now, if you want to create that, head over in here on your Shopify dashboard. Then from in here, click on this navigation right here. So click on that, and then in here, you should be able to see in here the main menu. So click on this main menu right here. And on this one, let's click on add menu item. Now let's name it contact. And on this right here, we just need to search for the link that we want to add in here. So you can just look for the contact right here. But if you don't have that menu item, then what you can do is you can head over to your online store. And on your online store right here, click on customize. And in here, you should be able to see the editor. So we need to add another page right here. So head over and then add another page by clicking on this create meta object template. Now on this one, you just need to search and build pages with multi-object. Click on add definition right here. And then this will open the admin dashboard of your Shopify again. Now this will direct you to the settings, and in here you can see you can add meta object definition. It's under the custom data. And then let's put in here a field. So in here you can also search again for contact or a collection that you want. So just put in here another thing, like for example, which text, and then let's name it contact. Then add in here a description of that text. Then make this the required field. So for example, it's adding your email. Click on add right here. As you can see, it's been added. Now I can also put in here another meta description, all of these things right here. So after that, click on save. And now once you have click on save right there, next thing you need to do is to just wait for this to finish the loading process. And then once you have finished the loading process of this page that you have newly created, then what you can do is you can head over and add in here the page that you have created on your navigation page on Shopify. So let's head over again on our dashboard, and then let's exit this. Now let's head over to the navigation. Now in here, head over to the main menu, add menu item, then let's name it contact. In here, let's put in here and search in here for contact what you have just newly created. Let's click on this right here. Now click on add. As you can see, you have now added the contact, so just save that. And when you head over to your store and you refresh it, you'll be able to see the contact page right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave like below as well, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.